Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can start earning commissions while learning affiliate marketing. All right, now how you're gonna do this is by using the IPS Infinity Processing System platform. All right, so what IPS is, it's a online training course, a training system that teaches people how to start earning commissions using social media marketing. All right, so a lot of people, when they ask me about the program, they get confused when I talk about earning commissions and this and that. They're like, well, what is IPS? And I stress, like, listen, it's training. All right, it is training. And the beautiful thing about IPS is it allows you to earn commissions while you're learning how to market using your social media. So how it works is once you join Infinity Processing System, right, you all set up, you good to go. You start going through the training. Now, depending on what level you decide to come in at, because there's a $50 level, there's a $150 level, and there's a $300 level. That's it. 3 options. The $50 level will allow you to start earning $50 commissions by promoting IPS. The $150 allows you to earn $150 commissions and $50 commissions. And then the $300 level gives you all the training, right, that comes with IPS, and it allows you to earn anywhere from $50 commissions, $150, or $300 commissions. That's it. That's it. Whatever level you at, whatever package you have, that is what you're able to earn commissions on. Now, I stress to people all the time, because they ask me, they're like, well, what is it? Why do I gotta promote? Do I gotta promote? No, you don't have to promote IPS. You can strictly come in with IPS just because you want to learn affiliate marketing, because you want to learn how to market on social media. You can literally buy that course, come in at the $50 level, get that education, and then promote your fitness program on social media, or you can promote your cooking book or whatever you want to do. Like, people keep missing, like, it's actual legit training. You can get legit training starting at $50, or you can get everything for $300. And keep in mind, this is a one-time fee. One time you pay $50, and you could upgrade if you want to the $150 later and then $300, or you can start at the $300 level, right? But it's a one-time fee. That's it, right? And you are able to actually run your own, business by just promoting that, right? You can sit there and say, hey, I want to try to get $300 a day, right? Or I want to try to get, $300 every week. I want to get a $300 commission. However you want to do it, you do what you feel comfortable. But this is a great platform to really learn affiliate marketing and using your social media marketing, because once you log into your account, once you become a member, you're going to be able to see on the left side, you'll be able to see all of the training that you're going to get. And I ain't gonna lie, it's a lot. So once you become a member, listen, take some time after work or on the weekend and dedicate, like an hour or two for a few days to really learn the program, because you will learn how to use Facebook to make money, right? It'll teach you how to use TikTok properly to market whatever you trying to market. It teaches you how to use YouTube. So you're going to get all of the platforms. You're going to get the skills that you need to start generating commissions. And you can do it, like I said, promoting IPS. It's like a simple thing to do, because you're learning from IPS, so you can actually benefit by actually promoting the actual system and earning instant commissions. So super cool system. This is a way that you can actually start earning while you're learning. All right, so if you want to check it out for yourself, you already know, first link in the description. If you got any questions, you can connect with me over on my Facebook page. or just any questions, whatever. So once you decide to join IPS, you join the team, I'm personally going to reach out to you and make sure you get set up and have everything you need to be successful, you know, with the training, and help you start earning commissions. All right. So hopefully this video helped you out. Now click that link below and start getting this money.